Hi friends, now we are going to see another problem. Here, the blade speed of a single ring impulse blade, okay, is 250 meter per seconds. This coming from blade velocity, and nozzle angle is 20 degrees. The heat drop is 550 kilojoules per kg, and nozzle efficiency is 0.85. The blade discharge angle is 30 degrees, and the machine develops 30 kilowatt when consuming 360 kg of steam per hour. Draw the velocity diagram and calculate first one axial thrust on the blending, and second one the heat equivalent per kg of steam friction of the bleeding. Okay, so this is the problem is given. Now we are going to solve this thing, how to solve the problem. Now you know very well to go for solution. Here I have written here given data. So now the given is here, the given is VB, that is called blade velocity, is given 2 meter per seconds. Now nozzle angle alpha is equal to, take 20 degrees, and then HD is equal to 550 kilojoules per kg, that's called heat drop HD, and then K is equal to 0.85, and angle is, blade angle is given 30 degrees. And now we go for here, power is given 30 kilowatt, that is equal to 30 into 10 to the power of 3 watts. And now we go for here, M is equal to 360 kg per hour, then that is equal to 0.1 kg per seconds. Okay, now we are going to solve this. Find first velocity. We know that the velocity of steam entering the blade. Now V is equal to 44.72 root of K into HD. Then substitute these values in here. 0.85 into heat drop is given. Okay, so then calculate this, we will get the answer per meter per seconds. And power developed P, that is equal to 30 into 10 cube, that is equal to VW plus VW1 into VB. So now 0.1 VW plus VW1 into 250. So now VW plus VW1 is equal to 1200 meter per seconds. So now we are going to draw the combined velocity triangle. Okay, so now we are going to draw combined velocity of triangle. We know very well this is coming from here. I put A, B. This is coming from blade velocity is 250. this is velocity, okay, v, that is called here 967. This is okay. This point is coming to C and join C to A. We get here VR, okay, and then now here A, we could draw the straight line, okay, exactly. And now here we know V1 and this is VR1. Now I put D. We take some vertical lines and horizontal lines in here. So this is the combination of velocity diagram, okay, and now here I put E. This is coming from F. This angle is given 30 degrees and this angle is given 20 degrees. We don't know this angle. At the same time we don't know this angle also, okay. I put like this. Now we calculate this change in real velocity is coming from 1200 meter per seconds, okay. So this is the velocity diagram for this problem, okay. Look at this. This is coming from 30 degrees, okay. This angle is will come 20 degrees. We need to find out here theta, beta, V1 and VR1, okay. So now here we are going to solve the problem. The following values are measured from the combined velocity triangle. So then here Vf is equal to 400 meter per seconds, Vf1 is equal to 325 meter per seconds, and Vr is equal to 895 meter per seconds, and Vr1 is equal to 650 meter per seconds, okay. These all values are calculated with the help of combination of this diagram. ఈ డయాగ్రామ్ నుంచి వెలాసిటీ డయాగ్రామ్ నుంచే మనం ఈ వాల్యూస్ అన్ని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసాం. ప్రీవియస్ ప్రాబ్లం ఒకసారి చూడండి మీరు. లాస్ట్ క్లాస్ వి డిస్కస్డ్ హౌ టు సాల్వ్ ది వెలాసిటీస్ విత్ ది హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ డయాగ్రామ్, ఓకే. సో ప్రీవియస్ ప్రాబ్లం కనుక మీరు చూసినట్లయితే మీకు అర్థమవుతుంది ఈజీగా. అండ్ నౌ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు డైరెక్ట్లీ టు ఫైండ్ థ్రస్ట్ ఆన్ ది బ్లేడింగ్, ఓకే. ఏదైతే ప్రాబ్లం ఇచ్చాడో అవి డైరెక్ట్ కనుక్కోవడానికి వెళ్ళిపోతున్నాను. అండ్ నౌ వి నో థ్రస్ట్ యాక్సియల్ we know that axial thrust on bleeding Fy is equal to, I written here, Vf minus Vf1, and then substitute the values in here. Simply we will get the answer newtons, okay. So this is the axial thrust on the bleeding. Now the heat equivalent per kg of steam of friction of the bleeding, okay. Now then we know that work lost in friction of the bleeding is equal to Vr square minus Vr1 square divided by 2000, then 895 whole square minus 650 whole square divided by 2000. So when calculate this, 189.26 kilojoules. So therefore I can write here heat equivalent per kg of steam friction of the bleeding is equal to 199.26 kilojoules. This is the final answer. Okay, this is the procedure to solve this problem. Okay, the main thing is ఈ ఇంపల్స్ టర్బైన్స్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో వాటికి మనం ప్రాబ్లం సాల్వ్ చేయాలంటే మనకు మెయిన్గా ఈ వెలాసిటీ డయాగ్రామ్ గీయటం అనేది రావాలి. వన్స్ మనకి వెలాసిటీ డయాగ్రామ్ గీయడం కనుక వచ్చింది అంటే ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చేయడం చాలా తేలిక. సో డైరెక్ట్ ఫార్ములా సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్స్, ఈ ఫార్ములాస్ కనుక మీరు గుర్తుపెట్టుకోగలిగితే చాలు. Okay, these all are the formulas. You can remember these formulas, you can substitute the values, all values, and then we will get the answer. Okay, so here these velocities we find with the help of this compound velocity diagram. So now here VF, now you can come to here point, this is called VF and this is called VF1, and then VF is equal to, you can take this thing, VF is equal to here cos theta is equal to, directly you can take here VF divided by VR. Okay, so that is coming from sine. Okay, sine theta is equal to VF divided by VR. Now here also we get VR value. Take this triangle, you will get the VR value. Okay, take this triangle, you get the VR value. VR is in here. Okay, this is the triangle ABCD. Okay, now it will get the you know this value and angle also know. So vertical sine theta. So here is VR is equal, sine theta is equal to VR divided by 967. Okay, like that you can find out VR. Here you substitute, you will get the VF1. Similarly you can take here ABD. So 30 degrees is there. At the same time VR1 you can find out here. Okay, and now here take this triangle. Okay, you will get VF1 like that. Okay, so all the values you can find out like this in here. Okay, and now substitute this. Right, and next we are going to see another problem in next class. Okay, thank you.